We've made it to suppliers. This section addresses the monthly spend you have on the goods and services you procure for your business. These are part of your Scope 3 emissions and can often account for a significant amount of your own organization's carbon footprint. We apply an emissions factor to your spend to understand the footprint of each supplier. We've provided 20 different categories we believe to be representative of typical suppliers across all industries. We've pre-selected 7 categories that each business usually has monthly spend in. If you do feel your business doesn't have a supplier that fits into this category, please feel free to deselect. Start by ticking the boxes of the categories where you do have supplier spend each month. For each category selected, a drop-down box will appear. Please input the average spend per month for each supplier category selected, along with whether or not the supplier is or is not carbon neutral. We've now made it to the last page of the forum, waste. We understand waste can be challenging to measure. Because of this, we've provided 3 different options based on the data you do have available. So the first option, and our preferred option, is actual data. If you have actual data, please select the type of waste, the quantity of waste, and the approximate portion that is recycled or composted each month. The second option, if you don't have actual data, is estimated. Based on the number of bins, bin size, how often they're collected per month, and how full they typically are when they're collected. And our last option, for those of you who have no idea, we can use the square meters of your office space provided earlier in the energy section against our benchmarks to create an estimated waste figure on your behalf. Please don't let the fear of inaccuracy deter you from submitting data in this section. Rather, see it as a starting point for collecting better data around waste for your next carbon emissions assessment. For service-based companies, you can skip through the remaining portions of the data collection form until you land on the final page titled Sustainability Initiatives. It'll just require a couple clicks through. In this section, we've broken down sustainability actions into 4 categories: energy and buildings, policies and travel, circular economy, and philanthropy. Please tick the boxes your company have implemented actions in. If we've missed any areas, feel free to drop in additional information in the free form space here. We'll take this into consideration. And lastly, please upload your logo with a transparent background. We'll include this in your carbon assessment report.